Have you ever wondered how some of the most luxurious, mesmerizing pearls in the world are crafted into breathtaking jewelry? Today, we're diving deep, literally, into the fascinating world of Tasaki, the Japanese pearl powerhouse that's quietly shaping the future of fine jewelry. From secret underwater farms to meticulous craftsmanship techniques that rival even the biggest names like Mikimoto, Tasaki's journey is filled with innovation, precision, and a few hidden secrets they don't always talk about. Grab your scuba gear, just kidding, and let's explore how Tasaki pearl jewelry is made. It all starts far beneath the ocean surface, in the pristine waters of Nagoya Bay and other carefully selected regions of Japan. Tasaki owns its very own pearl farms, something that very few luxury brands can claim. They raise Akoya oysters with the highest possible care, shielding them from storms, pollution, and even temperature shifts. Each oyster is hand-selected based on its health and genetic lineage, a bit like pearl royalty. Next comes nucleation, where a tiny bead, made from Mississippi freshwater mussel shell, is surgically implanted inside the oyster. This triggers the oyster to secrete nacre, the luminous material that forms the pearl, over 2 to 4 years. And here's a secret. Many pearl brands outsource farming. Tasaki controls the entire process from birth to harvest, giving them better quality control. In Tasaki's private pearl farms, located in the calm bays of Japan, technicians carefully implant a nucleus and mantle tissue into each oyster. This triggers nacre secretion, the same iridescent material that gives pearls their luminous glow. The oysters are suspended in underwater nets for 1 to 2 years, where they're regularly cleaned and monitored for health and nacre development. Tasaki's pearl farmers rotate the oysters regularly, making sure the nacre layers form evenly. They even massage the oysters. Yes, oyster massages are real, to keep them healthy. They monitor water salinity, temperature, and plankton levels constantly. If anything seems off, well, they move the oysters to a different part of the bay. It's basically a 5-star resort experience for oysters. The goal? A pearl that's perfectly round, with mirror-like luster. Only a small percentage of oysters produce pearls worthy of Tasaki's name. When the moment is right, usually after several years, the farmers harvest the pearls. But they don't just pluck them out. They use a delicate, hand extraction method to prevent damaging the pearl or the oyster. Each pearl is then sorted and graded by trained professionals based on 5 key criteria: luster, surface quality, shape, size, and color. Tasaki uses an ultra-rigorous system to determine which pearls will be used in high jewelry collections and which are suited for more accessible designs. Want to hear a fun fact? Tasaki is a pioneer in oyster-friendly farming techniques, meaning they often reuse the same oysters for multiple pearl generations if they're healthy enough. After harvest, pearls undergo a stringent sorting process, where only 5% make it into Tasaki's high jewelry collections. Here's where things get even more intense. Tasaki sorts pearls by shape. Perfectly round is preferred. Size, larger is better. Luster, bright, reflective surface. Surface quality with minimal blemishes. And color, creamy white, rose overtones, or rare silvery hues. Each pearl is graded by hand and eye by master artisans, often with decades of experience. No machines can truly replace the human eye when it comes to assessing pearls at Tasaki. Unlike some pearl brands that bleach or dye their pearls, Tasaki prides itself on using natural color Akoya pearls whenever possible. They want the natural beauty to shine through without artificial enhancement. However, when slight color balancing is needed, Tasaki uses minimal, proprietary methods that are never publicly disclosed. Here's an industry secret. It's said that Tasaki has a unique, ultra-gentle pink toning process that enhances the natural rose overtones, but they'll never confirm it officially. Once the pearls are ready, they move into the creative heart of Tasaki, design. Tasaki is famous for avant-garde designs that break traditional pearl jewelry stereotypes. Think edgy, futuristic pieces, not your grandma's pearls. They collaborate with top designers like Takun Penishkul and Prabhu Gurung, creating collections that blend elegance with an unexpected twist. They make sketches and create digital models for each piece, blending softness with strength, tradition with innovation. Many designs highlight contrast, soft pearls paired with sharp metals or bold structures. Designs feature clean lines, architectural symmetry, and asymmetrical elegance, highlighting the pearl as the hero. Matching pearls for earrings, necklaces, or clusters is one of the most challenging steps. Each pearl is hand-matched based on tone, overtone, luster, and diameter. Even the slightest difference is noticeable in minimalist designs. For Tasaki's signature multi-pearl jewelry, the lineup must form a harmonious progression in color and glow. Tasaki's metalwork is a masterclass in precision. Using 18-karat gold, platinum, or high-polished silver, artisans cast, file, and refine each frame. Many of Tasaki's designs feature invisible settings and knife-edge finishes that require micro-level craftsmanship. Everything must be perfectly balanced, literally and aesthetically. Setting a pearl into jewelry requires extreme precision, where each pearl is mounted by hand. Unlike diamonds, pearls are fragile. One slip, and the surface can scratch or chip forever. Pearls require special adhesive and precise positioning to protect their nacre and maintain symmetry. Tasaki's master jewelers craft each setting by hand, customizing the fitting to the exact millimeter of the individual pearl. They use 18-karat gold, platinum, or even titanium in some designs for strength without bulkiness. Tasaki's craftsmen ensure the pearl is not scratched, strained, or misaligned. The goal is seamless integration, where pearl and metal feel like one. The result? Pearls that look effortlessly suspended in air, hugging the ear, wrist, or neckline in a whisper of luxury. Before any Tasaki piece leaves the workshop, it goes through a brutal final inspection. Every angle, every reflection, every clasp is tested. Over 20 inspection points in total. Soft cloths and micro tools are used to buff each pearl and metal surface. The jewelry is examined under multiple light sources to confirm harmony of color, shine, and silhouette. This final polishing step is done using ultra-soft deer leather cloths, which bring out the pearl's highest natural luster without scratching. If it doesn't pass, it's sent back for refinement, or even completely remade. Once approved, it's placed in the brand's elegant white and gold packaging, ready to dazzle. Tasaki is no longer Japan's best-kept secret. Tasaki's reputation has skyrocketed in the last 2 decades, from a domestic Japanese brand to an international darling of red carpets and royal collections. With boutiques from Tokyo to Paris and collaborations with designers and stylists worldwide, Tasaki continues to redefine what pearl jewelry can be. It's elegance with an edge, nature with innovation, jewelry with a soul. Today, Tasaki's designs are worn by celebrities, royalty, and collectors who crave pearls that break the mold. It's not just about tradition, it's about reinventing what pearl jewelry can be. Now let's look at some fascinating facts about Tasaki pearls that make them unlike anything else in the world. Fun fact number 1. Did you know Tasaki invented the balanced design trend? Tasaki's Balance collection, pearls perfectly aligned on a straight bar, became one of the most imitated designs in modern jewelry history. The minimalistic, futuristic look turned pearls from old-fashioned to ultra-trendy. Introduced in 2012, the Balance line features pearls suspended on linear bars, offering a bold, minimalist alternative to traditional settings. Number 2. Did you know Tasaki farms its own pearls? Unlike many luxury houses, Tasaki owns its pearl farms, giving it full control over quality. Tasaki controls the entire production process, from pearl cultivation to jewelry design, ensuring unmatched consistency and quality. Very few high-end brands own the entire pearl production process. Fun fact number 3. Did you know Tasaki oysters sometimes get massaged? Farmers gently massage oysters to prevent muscle stiffness and stimulate healthy nacre production. This spa treatment is part of why Tasaki pearls have such exceptional luster. Number 4. Did you know Tasaki uses deer leather for final polishing? Rather than synthetic cloths, Tasaki artisans use ultra-soft deer leather to polish pearls, an ancient technique that brings out maximum shine without damaging the surface. Fun fact number 5. Did you know Tasaki pearls often have natural rose overtones? Tasaki specializes in pearls with delicate pink overtones, naturally formed by oyster genetics and careful water quality management. Number 6. Did you know Tasaki collaborates with top fashion designers? From Prabal Gurung to Takun, Tasaki's fashion world partnerships create cutting-edge pearl designs that blend jewelry and couture. Fun fact number 7. Did you know Tasaki uses titanium in jewelry? Tasaki sometimes incorporates titanium into their jewelry designs for an ultra-lightweight yet incredibly strong setting, perfect for balancing heavy pearls elegantly. Number 8. Did you know each Tasaki pearl is individually custom-fitted? No one-size-fits-all settings here. Every Tasaki pearl has a unique fitting crafted specifically for its size and symmetry. And fun fact number 9. Did you know Tasaki pearls take years to grow? From bead implantation to final harvest, a Tasaki pearl can take between 2 to 4 years, or even longer for rare, large specimens. These pearls require constant monitoring, water temperature regulation, and meticulous oyster care to reach perfection. Number 10. Did you know Tasaki avoids heavy chemical treatments? Unlike some pearl brands that bleach and dye their pearls, Tasaki uses minimal intervention, preserving the natural look and strength of the pearls. Fun fact number 11. Did you know Tasaki developed zero-gap setting techniques? Tasaki pioneered methods to set pearls in metal frameworks with almost no visible gaps, creating a seamless, floating effect. Number 12. Did you know Tasaki rejects over 95% of their pearls? Most pearls are rejected due to surface blemishes, irregular shape, or weak luster. Only the top 5% of pearls from each harvest make it into Tasaki jewelry, ensuring that only the brightest, cleanest pearls are ever seen by customers. Fun fact number 13. Did you know Tasaki pearls are a royal favorite? Several members of Japanese and European royalty quietly commissioned Tasaki for custom pearl creations, thanks to the brand's impeccable standards. Number 14. Did you know Tasaki pearls are naturally eco-friendly? Pearl farming, when done properly like Tasaki does, actually improves local marine ecosystems by encouraging cleaner, healthier water. And fun fact number 15. Did you know Tasaki's secret pink whisper technique is rumored? Although not officially confirmed, insiders whisper that Tasaki uses a secret natural light bath process to subtly enhance pink hues in pearls without chemicals. This subtle pink coloration is highly prized in Japan and contributes to the brand's signature aesthetic. So the next time you see a stunning, otherworldly pearl piece shimmering under the lights, take a closer look. It might just be a Tasaki masterpiece. Born from the seas, crafted by hand, and perfected by passion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more secrets behind the world's finest luxury creations.